Welcome to Review Lab. The best Rancid poster is probably one of the most iconic pieces of band memorabilia a true fan could own, capturing the raw energy and rebellious spirit of the legendary punk rock band. This isn't just any poster, it's a statement piece, a vibrant testament to the music that has soundtracked countless mosh pits and late-night drives, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to inject some serious punk attitude into their space and proudly display their allegiance to the timeless sound of Rancid. Number 5. American Idiot. Experience the raw energy and rebellious spirit of Green Day's iconic album brought to life on stage. This electrifying musical captures the angst and disillusionment of a generation. Follow the journey of young people navigating a world filled with uncertainty and searching for meaning. It's a powerful narrative about finding your voice amidst the chaos. Sing along to beloved anthems like American Idiot, Boulevard of Broken Dreams, and Wake Me Up When September Ends. The cast delivers performances that will leave you breathless. This production is a vibrant and thought-provoking exploration of identity, love, and loss. It resonates with audiences through its relatable characters and timely themes. Get ready for a theatrical experience that is both exhilarating and deeply moving. Book your tickets now for a show that defines a generation. What we like. This poster captures the raw energy of a legendary album. Its bold design speaks to the core of punk rock. If you're a fan of timeless punk anthems and want to bring that rebellious spirit into your space, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The poster is made of high-quality paper and the print is very sharp. The colors are vibrant and really pop, making the poster stand out on the wall. It's a great size for any room, not too big or too small. Number 4. Hard Times and Nursery Rhymes LP, Green Vinyl. Introducing a rare gem for your vinyl collection. This limited edition LP is a must-have for any serious audiophile. Act fast. This exclusive pressing is limited to just 1,000 copies worldwide. Own a piece of music history before it's gone. Experience the music like never before on stunning green vinyl. Its unique color adds a visual flair to your listening sessions. Enhance your collection with a special bonus. This edition comes complete with an autographed poster, adding a personal touch. This is more than just an album, it's an experience. Perfect for dedicated fans and collectors seeking something truly special. What we like. This is a rare collector's item, featuring an autographed poster and limited edition green vinyl. It's a unique piece for the dedicated fan. If you're looking to own a truly special and authenticated part of music history, this is an unmissable opportunity. What people say. The poster is a great addition to any fan's collection. High-quality print with vibrant colors that really pop. Perfect size for framing and looks fantastic on the wall. Number 3. Domino's Pizza. Craving a delicious meal? Let the dominoes fall with Domino's Pizza. Order now for a perfect pizza night. We bring your favorite pizzas right to your doorstep. Enjoy the convenience and taste of Domino's. Experience the difference fresh ingredients make. Our pizzas are crafted for incredible flavor in every bite. Whether it's a family dinner or a party with friends, our pizzas are the perfect addition. Make any occasion special with us. Ready to indulge? Ordering is easy and fast through our website or app. Get your pizza fix today. What we like. This poster showcases the powerful imagery associated with a pivotal album. Its artistic merit makes it a standout piece. If you appreciate strong visual storytelling and want a poster that's both a music reference and a work of art, consider this option. What people say. The poster is a great addition to any fan's collection. High-quality print with vibrant colors that really pop. The design is iconic and captures the essence of the band perfectly. Number 2. Misfits Fiend Skull Fabric Poster 30 by 40. Introducing the Misfits Fiend Skull Poster, a unique piece of textile art. It's designed to add a distinctive touch to any space. Crafted from durable cloth textile, this fabric poster offers a premium feel. Its quality ensures it will be a lasting addition to your collection. Featuring the iconic Fiend skull motif, this print is a must-have for fans. It boldly displays a classic and recognizable design. Measuring 30 by 40 inches, this poster provides a significant visual impact. Its large size makes it a focal point in any room. Perfect as a flag or a poster, it's incredibly versatile for your decor needs. Easily hang it to showcase your Misfits fandom. Looking for a gift for a Misfits enthusiast? This fabric poster is an ideal choice. It's a thoughtful and stylish present they'll appreciate. What we like. Crafted from fabric, this poster offers a different feel and durability than paper. The iconic Fiend skull is instantly recognizable. If you prefer fabric posters for their texture and longevity, or if you're a devoted fan of this classic imagery, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The poster is a great addition to any fan's collection, featuring iconic imagery from the band's history. High-quality printing ensures the colors are vibrant and the details are sharp, making the artwork stand out. The size is perfect for framing and displaying in a bedroom or living space. Number 1. Marvel Avengers Infinity War Hero Team Assemble T-shirt. Unleash your inner hero with this epic T-shirt. Featuring the iconic Marvel Avengers, it's perfect for any fan ready for action. Embrace the power of the Infinity War with this unique design. Show your allegiance to Earth's mightiest heroes. This shirt is a must-have for any true Marvel enthusiast. It's a statement piece that celebrates your favorite characters. Crafted for comfort and designed for style, you can wear your fandom proudly. Feel the heroic spirit with every wear. Be a part of the legendary Avengers team. This apparel lets you carry the spirit of heroism wherever you go. What we like. This item isn't a poster, but a wearable piece of art featuring a powerful superhero team. It's perfect for everyday wear. If you're looking for a way to show off your fandom in a practical and comfortable way, this t-shirt is the ideal choice. What people say. The poster is made of high-quality paper and the print is very sharp. The colors are vibrant and really pop, making the poster stand out on the wall. It's a great size for a bedroom or living room, not too big or too small. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.